Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video we're going to be talking about what to do if Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or Warzone 2 is not launching on your PS4 or PS5. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the options button on your controller and you're going to check for update. If you do have an update, just make sure to update the game. And another thing you can do is delete the game and reinstall it. And the third thing you guys can do is make sure if you have any system software updates, so you can go to system software updated settings, and make sure you can update your system software. If this also does not work, the other thing you guys can do is click on the PS button on your controller, head over to power, you're going to turn off your PS5, and then you're going to wait about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can unplug all the wires from your PS5, and then you can replug them in. And then again wait another 1 to 2 minutes and then relaunch your PS5 or PS4. And once that is done, you can head into Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and hopefully the error code should be fixed and it should be working without any problems whatsoever. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.